You'll want to take a closer look at this classic post and beam log cabin building. These small cabin designs can feature open living space on the main floor with a loft sleeping space upstairs. The log cabin can also be designed to have a covered porch in the front. This post and beam rustic log cabin design is an ideal choice for country living, for those who just want to get away from the hustle and spend some time in nature. The log cabin style is known as post and beam, and it can be built with round or squared logs. This makes a beautiful alternative to the more standard squared-off timbers as we see used in timber frame designs. These tiny log cabins designs uses logs to support the roof structure, loft floor, and the front porch, with log walls between log corner posts, built using standard 2x6 stick construction. The exterior of the log cabin is designed using a combination of naturally finished logs and board siding that can be painted or stained. This small log cabin design is an excellent example of a quality post and beam log cabin construction. With a smaller eco-building footprint, this design combines natural beauty and strength. These log cabins can be designed to share square footage between the ground floor and upper loft. The floors and the ceilings in this log cabin are made of pine wood, and the walls in this eco-supported building have a unique and natural look. The walls are built from nailed, live edge boards that are placed over top of painted drywall with gaps between the live edge wood that mimics chinked timbers. Large log beams are evident on the ceiling of the log cabin design and are what really sets this log cabin apart from other log cabin builds. This helps to give the house a high quality and natural look. These post and beam log cabins can be designed to connected with off or on-grid electric and heating. And if you want really rustic experience, you can even opt on a post and beam outhouse that matches the log cabin design. The harmony and beauty of both timber and pine wood cabin construction come together in these post and beam homes. The top-notch craftsmanship forms a framework that is both rustic and elegant in its aesthetic. These little wood cabins are designed with a lot of care and ingenuity by master builders. The main visual difference between timber frame wood cabins and post and beam cabins is achieved by exposing the squared or rounded timber logs of the cabin's frame. This helps to give the wood cabin its more rustic appearance. Timber-framed cabin buildings are the traditional form of wood cabin construction that can be traced back for hundreds of years. They are strong, beautiful, and last for a long time. Some timber-frame cabin buildings were erected as far back as the medieval ages in Europe and are still standing today. True timber-frame cabin buildings rely on tight-fitting joinery and the natural integrity of strong wood as a building material. Post and beam cabin building is an old, reliable, and traditional style of home building. Post and beam log house construction may often resemble timber-framed cabin buildings, but the distinction that post and beam construction utilizes mechanical fasteners, often steel plate connectors, to join adjacent members together. And these connectors in post and beam cabin buildings may be hidden or exposed in a variety of ways. Many mountain wood cabins employ some elements of wood timber construction, either as the main building design or as an ascent in the form of roof supports, trusses, brackets, or braces. Post and beam wood cabins require highly skilled carpenters. The perfect fitting of log beams is essential for weather resistance and keeping things cozy, warm inside. You will find many more charming and beautiful cabins being built by Star Log Cabins, a master building company located in Germany. Star Log Cabins builds square and round, tiny and larger house of rustic and beautiful wood cabin style buildings, and they are extremely skilled at it.